Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Come to my little playroom. I have a 8 by 16 inch canvas and just trying to work on my shadows here. I've got a lot of shadows in this room for some reason. I'm going to do some blown flowers on this 8 by 16 inch canvas, and I have a few colors that I've picked out. I'm kind of running out of my colors that are in the bottle, which is okay because they need to be washed. I have some ultramarine. I have a Quinacridone Magenta. A little bit of violet left. I'm going to use some of my cad yellow light, and I might put a little bit of pearl in it. And I'm going to start out by putting the white down on my canvas. I'm going to use my torch just to get rid of the air bubbles in here. Before I get started. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with a puddle right in the middle. That's pretty close to the middle. That was my ultramarine. This is my magenta. Put just a touch of the purple in there. Oop. Got a little sloppy, that's alright. And I'm going to get my straw and I'm just going to blow a flower out. Turn it around. Oh. Put this on pause a second. Put just a drop of yellow in the middle to give it a center. Ooh, got some stuff in that paint. Okay. What I want to do is a couple smaller flowers here that just look like buds. It's going to drip again, whether I want it to or not. Just want them to look partially open. I'm going to blow them off in one direction here. And as I come further out, they're going to be smaller. Drop of my violet in. Put some leaves in here. Just a touch of green here and there. Oops, got right on the flower there. That was not what I wanted to do. Just going to blow those out a bit. Guess I'm feeling kind of quiet tonight. Just thinking about what I'm doing, enjoying it. See if I can get that one little drop of green off of there and fix this. There we go. I'm going to turn it around again. Blow this one out. Didn't put any of that pearl in there that I was thinking about. That's all right. Looks very pretty without it. There. It's just what I was looking for, just like that. I'm going to put a little more yellow in the center. Put a tiny bit of blue on top of it. Kind kind of blow that a little. I think I did that a little too much. That's okay. Just fix it up here. There. I like that. Get a couple of bare spots in my white. Fill those in a little bit here and there. Get my edges touched up. Little dot of green off of there. I'm going to give it another torch just in case there's any air bubbles. It'll help soften up some of these edges also. Okay, there we go, guys. I'm pretty happy with that. Do just about anything you want to do with this fluid art. It doesn't have to be just paint dumped onto your canvas. You can shape it out in any direction that you want. I saw one this week that was a dragon, and it was just absolutely amazing. It turned out so pretty. I don't know if I can get that done, but I sure would like to try. I thought it was pretty cool. Let me give you a close-up look here. There's the center, and it wisps off to the edges. Just a nice, soft painting. Pretty happy with it. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. Appreciate it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am thinking about doing a contest in August and giving away some paintings. So if you have any thoughts on that, let me know. If there's any paintings that you'd like to have, put them in the comments. I might just use those as my giveaway. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye.